And good afternoon, Bitcoin gladiators. This is Drew coming with another midday market report for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and XRP. Now, taking a look at the markets here this afternoon, we begin to see, starting off with the XRP, that there's been a resistance here of 93, which is showing us that this possibly could be the bottom or the support before it begins to come back up. But the thing is, at this point, it is not confirmed as far as where it's going, so it's really not a good idea at this point to be getting into any type of position or trade. So, I mean, it does show here with the RSI that it's going to work its way back up. So if you are a risk taker, then this is probably a good time to be going long so you can receive all this. But at this point, for myself, I'm not going to speculate because I don't speculate. I want to make sure that I'm for sure knowing that the trade is going to be successful. So I'm not going to go into any trade going short unless it passes 91 cents. And then I will not go up for a long until I know for sure that it crosses $1.30. So I want to make sure that this hits past $1.30 for a strong move that'll hit here to $1.47 and then $1.67. But at this point, I know there's a lot of profit from here to here, but it's just a risk, and I don't want to take that risk at this point. So for me, that's where I'm headed with XRP. As far as Dogecoin is concerned, we begin to see that it's also been staying within my line here with the blue line. So it's also a very hard position to put yourself in because you don't know if it's going to come down or up. I mean, as far as the volume, it does show that it's still on its way down. But with that said, I'm not going to get into any positions until it hits the 27 cents. Then I'm going to go long because I know this will be the bottom. But I'm not going to get into it yet because it might still drop. So I'm going to wait for it to come down. Although, if it does begin to cross this right here at about 43 cents, and then I'm going to go long. And I'm going to continue my position going this way because I'm expecting it to go to about 54 cents. So that's where I'm at with Dogecoin. As far as the Ethereum is concerned, we begin to see it also hitting the support where every time it hits, that's 1, 2, and it's happening again. So this is a very strong support. If you're a risk taker, it's a pretty good idea to start buying to this position to go back long. But for me, again, I don't know exactly where it's headed, so I'm not going to make any positions until I'm confirmed. But I do know once it passes this position at 2160, I'm going to go short. But if it passes this at 33,028, then I'm going to go long, and I believe it's going to go up to about, the first stop will be 35.48, and then it'll continue to rise higher and higher. So with that said, that's where I'm at with Ethereum. And last but not least, the King Coin Bitcoin, we begin to see too, it's sticking in this channel here. So although it did cross here at one point, but it did come back up. So that goes to show us that this is a very strong support. So again, if you're a risk taker, this will probably be a good time to come in. But for me, again, I don't take risks. So I'm going to wait until my confirmation price of about 34,800. Then I'm going to go short. And I believe it's going to drop down to like 27,000. But if it's going to cross going bullish, then I'm going to wait for confirmation price at about 42,390. So roughly around there. And then I'm going to go long, and then I would expect it to go to another all-time high. So with that said, everything is not moving that much, but it's a position where you need to wait. You can't expect to always be in positions every single day, but you can prepare yourself for that position as it begins to unravel its pattern. So again, with that said, for those, just be patient and wait. and wait for those confirmation prices so that you're not putting yourself at risk. Other than that, everything is looking good so far. And if you have any other questions, feel free to give me a message or email or subscribe. Hit that warning bell, and when I do see something exciting taking place before another video that I will do, I will let you know. So, other than that, everything is looking great. And for me, like I mentioned to you, I don't have any positions until I know my confirmation prices are met. All right, then. Have yourselves a great day, and we'll talk to you this evening.